One of the common mistakes when you first start is a misunderstanding of how you use a map when you're out on your bike. A popular misconceived idea is that you would have the map placed on your board displaying the route that you're about to drive. Now, if you've ever used SatNav before, you will know that it does not teach you or enable you to remember routes. But what it does do is allow you to get from A to B with as little concern as possible for remembering the route. Whereas prior to SatNav and prior to having a map on your board, the technique you would have used would have been to open your map book, have a look at the journey that you think you should use, and attempt to remember key aspects of that journey so that you can relay them from memory. By doing this, you're actually activating your brain and attempting to commit to memory many of the key aspects of the route that you're using and trying to learn. Bear in mind that you are not trying to get from A to B as quickly or as easily as possible, but you're actually trying to commit to memory as much of the key aspects of the route as possible. This is achieved at a far greater rate if you use your map book or map app whenever you have a question about your journey or are puzzled by the route. You may even have gotten lost. Getting lost and understanding why you got lost is an integral part of developing your sense of direction and navigational skills. You will do plenty of looking at the map when you're home and studying and when you're doing point to point. So don't have a map on your board, carry it with you and use it to answer the questions as they arise. Thank you for supporting our channel. Thank you for supporting Whizzand. Please like, subscribe, comment and hit the notification bell for any future videos.